Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here back at Darenth Fishing Complex doing a day session up on Tree Lake. They have changed the name from Steve's back to Tree Lake, the original name. So I'm going to show you whereabouts my rods are and hopefully so the rods are out. Got the carp rod just out where that island is on the edge, and then got the cat rod just out in the middle over there. So yeah, hopefully get a bite and get a fish in the net. And the bait I'm using for today's session for the catfish, I'm using blooded eel 22mm hook pellets, and then also for the catfish I'm using some pilchards, and then for the carp I've got these new boilies, champion corn, and then also these ones. Got some magic beam wafters from Parker Baits, and then just to top it off a bit I'm just using sweet corn. So yeah, hopefully either both baits on both rods will attract a fish, and then hopefully show you I've just rebaited the cat rig, bit of pilchard. Let's get it out and hopefully catch a catfish and then show you. Just a quick update, it's been very quiet on Tree Lake. I have moved swims, I've moved further up the lake. I've put my rods back out, so the cat rod is just out over there, and then the carp rod is between those two islands, just inside the little gap there. So yeah, hopefully me changing swims might catch a fish, and if I do, I'll keep you updated. Just a quick update, it's 3:30 in the afternoon, still haven't had nothing. I've gone down to one rod now, which is the carp rod. Just rebaited it, put fresh boilies on and a PV bag, so I'm going to hold out for another hour and then hopefully catch one, and if I do, I'll keep you updated and show you a fish.